Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add shipping charges in Zoho Books. So all you have to do is head over to Zoho Books, and from here, just make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Sales, then Invoices. We're just going to create a new invoice. Just click on the New button. And from here, just start filling out the information, starting with the customer name. Also add in invoice date, then just scroll down. So from here in the item table section, just enter in item details and make sure that the details about the item are all correct. Then in the subtotal section is where you can add shipping charges. Just type in the charge that you want to add. Say for example, we want to add 100. Then next is add in shipping charge tax. So say for example, we're gonna add 10% tax. Then once done, also make sure that the other details are filled out correctly and just proceed by clicking on save and send. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!